have 4K clear footage of Bigfoot crossing the street when I was in the rain. Good morning, guys. Today, day 4. Nothing major happened last night, so I got some rest. So today, ready to go. We're going first to the lava river view thingy, and then I'm gonna make it down to the white sands. There are some pictograms in there, and Roswell, which is our destination. No sign of the chupacabra yet, but I'm optimistic going to Roswell and Roswell's history. Finger crossed all the cameras are gonna work properly because every day there's been something. That's about it. So enough for the chit chat. Let's get on it.
Alright, we have Worthy in the hotel here. There's another fellow traveler. He comes from Tennessee, I believe, somewhere on the east of the United States with the Golden. Definitely more comfortable. We have about 33 miles to go to the lava rivers. About an hour, so it'll be quick. Get going. It's a nice morning.
Once again, the GoPro microphone failed me. Yeah, I realized that the audio you guys just heard was from the actual external mic, and the lavalier in my helmet wasn't apparently plugged correctly. GoPros and their audio. But anyway, so I made it to the lava river. Now I'm trying to find a spot with a good view without disturbing any of the campers around. So I found it. There it is. So I made it to the lava river over here. All that black stuff, like, goes for miles and miles. That apparently was a lava stream that obviously over the years became solid, and there it is. If you look from the satellite image, it's huge. And I don't know if you guys can hear in the background, I think cicadas, like the buzzing, like there is an electrical transformer. Let's go touch it. Watch out for rattlesnakes. Looks like the coal that made out of sugar that in Italy we get at Befana. It looks exactly the same. I'm pretty sure it's not sweet though. I'm gonna be hiking back up. Alright, on to the next location. The cicadas after a few minutes become really annoying. For a change, I found out that the microphone wasn't working now, so only an hour into the journey rather than tonight. Alright, lava rivers, Valley of Fire. It was fun. Best view in the park. Alright, Petroglyphs this way. 4.5 miles. Take a look at some old drawings. I bet that
than I thought. I thought it would be a dirt road. New Mexico. And my first day in New Mexico wasn't a good first impression. The weather was horrible. Entering the area at 3 Rivers Petroglyphs will require a permit to pass, no exception. How's it going?
Now for the hard part.
Huh?
Taking everything off.
Oh my god. How far are the petroglyphs?
Right there. Okay? Right up that hill.
Up half a mile?
See that little cropping right there?
Uh-huh.
They're right there.
Oh, okay.
That's where they are. Not even. It's a half a mile up to the shaded rest area and then a half a mile back. A little over a half a mile.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
I'll tell her after you strip down, you'll be up.
All right.
I'm gonna try to go catch some petroglyphs, and nothing. They better be awesome. For whatever reason, everybody thinks that grown man made petroglyphs or cave drawings and all that stuff. But I have kids. If somebody writes on the walls, are the freaking kids. I thought those things would be hard to find. The lady over there said to go search for them, but they're everywhere. Like literally everywhere. Over there, over there. There's a bunch, like every single rock has something on it. Tell you the truth, this looks like a teenager's hangout. 10,000-year-old natives come over here, do some peyote, and when they're high, boom, riding on the rocks. Like, hey, dude, look, I threw a fish. This one, it's clearly seed from Ice Age.
The petroglyphs are over there. Away we go from it. The little bunch of rocks had petroglyphs everywhere. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be petroglyphs all over the place. But anyway, I forgot to put in earplugs, so I gotta stop again. But in about an hour and 15 minutes we'll go down to white sand. Woo-wee. That's a giant pistachio. Or as we say in Italy, pistacchio. Well, we are here.
It's so bright, I can't keep my eyes open. I wonder if I'm allowed to fly a drone over here. It's cool. It looks like a storm brewing over there. Better get going.
Roswell, here we come. But first I need gas. Some food would be nice. Alright, 121 miles to go. Just gassed up. Time to get to Roswell. Those clouds over there look menacing. Hopefully we're going around. I'm not quite sure, but finger crossed. Although a little bit of water would be nice, but if it's associated with gale force wind like last time around, no thanks. All right. In a sudden turn of event, looks like the darker area is over there, and it looks like the road is going that way. Maybe we'll skirt it that way. That looks really full of water. And as much as I enjoy the occasional rain shower, slightly less black right there. Finger crossed, only hour and a half to go. Now this is what I like, the trees and the hills, the nice temperature. Although it says 32, but Celsius obviously. It says 32, but it feels like less than 32. Jesus. Oh, he's infiltrating. He's infiltrating. Ah, close the vents. I forgot about the chest vents. Chest vents closed. Arm vents, arm vents. Well, my feet feel fresh.
Alright, we made it to Roswell. The trip went well. We went through the rivers of fire, which was a whole bunch of lava and lava rocks, and that was fairly easy, fairly early in the morning. After the river we went to the pictogram, where I scouted a whole bunch of 15 years old from 10,000 years ago, getting stoned and writing on the stones. Then went down to the white sands. There was a sight to be seen. That was great. It was so bright I couldn't tell if it was soft sand or hard packed. You would just keep going, and all of a sudden it's squirming, and there might be a hole or something, but so freaking bright. But still, it was great to be there. The weather was good. The white sand were hot, in the 43 degrees Celsius, which is what, 107 or something like that. So it's like, oh, everything is great. Let's head over for the last dash here to Roswell, thinking, what can go wrong? On the crossing over the mountains, beautiful by the way, there were some really dark clouds in the
at the horizon, and for a moment I thought I would get lucky and avoid them. No way. Got in, got more than I bargained for. But then getting back into Roswell for the last 40 miles where it was really, really hot, everything dried out. Everything absolutely dried out. Anyway, so I did that. I did the classic touristy stuff here in Roswell. Now I'm getting some deserved rest because tomorrow morning, bonus stage. I found out that there are other caves in Carlsbad, south of here. So I wasn't planning, but now I am. If everything goes well, I'll go to the caves, take you guys with me, and somebody's going in and out on my front door and making the Ring camera ring right now. It's very annoying. But anyway, unfortunately, I know everybody is waiting for this. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to see any chupacabras. Very disappointing. But I did have 4K clear footage of Bigfoot crossing the street when I was in the rain. Unfortunately, the GoPro died on me and all that 4K footage was lost. I believe he even waved at me. So there is that. No aliens either. Almost disappointing. Make it all the way here. 4 days traveling. But there are pros. We're gonna discuss the pros on the bonus stage next episode. But thank you very much to my patrons. You guys are the best for everything I used on this trip. Check the link down below. And dai tutti, and I'll see you next time.